Nice. That's what I'm talking about. That's sick. Is this your ride?
Yeah.
What year is it?
04.
04? How much horsepower you're pushing?
Dyno's 414 wheel and 410 foot-pounds.
Really?
Yeah.
How much boost?
23 pounds.
23 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
Holy. Yeah.
The nice thing is the turbo's stage 3 upgrade kit.
Yeah.
So look, the turbo literally says Mopar on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn. That's crazy.
Yeah.
You running today?
No.
No? What? Why not? Because our buddy over there was talking shit. He said he could take you.
I'm sure. I gotta practice launching on these tires.
Right, yeah.
It's boost by gear, but it's front wheel drive, so it's it's hard to drive.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a handful.
Have you ran it?
No.
You haven't ran it yet?
No.
It's probably good on gas though, no? Ish?
Not bad. The problem is every time I drive it, you're always in boost, right?
Yeah. 100%.
Yeah. But I sort of regret the big brake kit I did. It's a custom setup.
Yeah.
Just because I can't put a slick on it. This thing with a slick would run a good time on the track.
Yeah, gotcha. Yeah.
Just the size of the rim, you mean? Like
yeah, exactly. Right. I can't put a 16 on here because the caliper and the rotor.
Yeah. How much is the bill that would you say you spent on this?
To give you an idea, no shit, I could literally pull the paperwork out of the car.
Yeah.
It got appraised about 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
I told the guy to be as honest as he possibly could, and he hit me with 50K plus tax.
50K? Damn. Holy. That's sick.
I painted the whole car, I block sanded the whole car, and the whole car is wrapped in PPF, bumper to bumper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ceramic coated everything. So.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's a little dirty. I'm gonna wait for it to cool down, then I'll wipe it down. But
yeah. I gotta hear it when it cools down. You're letting it. How long does it take to cool down?
I don't know. Should be good in like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't put a thermometer on it.
Oh, there's your garage timing.
I wasn't ripping it too hard here, so it shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah. Cool, man.
Oh yeah, those brakes are tight there, aren't they?
Yeah. Willwood.
I bought it to actually be a track car, but when I realized how clean it was, I actually bought it in Manitoba. It had 59,000 kilometers on it.
Wow.
Yeah, and I trailered it back. But then when I found out more and more how rare the car was, I'm like, I can't bastardize it. I can't track, like I can't. Again, the occasional lapping day I'll go to, but not.
Sure.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Just a nice Sunday car.
You don't see this anymore, man.
Not at all.
Yeah. Cool, man. Thanks, bro. It'll be on this channel.
Oh, that's perfect.
Thanks, man.
Thanks. Ooh, I feel my skin looking already. Oh, you did? Okay. I sent it right now.
What's up, man?
What's going on, Brett?
What's going on?
What's going on, brother?
Good seeing you. Is that new V6?
Yeah, that's the new V6.
That's the new V6.